Okay everyone, in this video I'm going to explain to all of you about how to make over this simple modern house with the dimension around 9.3 meter and 12 meter. We have to develop it on the color, material, surface, and another landscape element, and maybe we can develop the roof to make it more highlighted building and more modern minimalist vibes anyway. So first of all we have to select all, and then we have to move and press Ctrl to duplicate it, and then we can place on the another position. We can just place on the little bit so far from this origin place. Okay, so then we can make the another element. Maybe we can just make the roof. Maybe we can just make the roof with a rectangle. We can use a rectangle to make a roof. So then we can offset it inside anyway. We can offset it inside, maybe just something like this, and then we can erase the plane, and then we can erase the unnecessary line over there. So then we can push it up a little bit, okay, maybe around 500 millimeter, and then we can make it group anyway. So then we can make the another rectangle on the top of this roof support, and then we can select it all. So then we can offset it until this, okay, and then this position. So then we can erase some unnecessary line over there. Okay, and then we can push it up with the height as we want anyway, approximately just for temporary height anyway. So then we can make the sloping line of the roof. We can type 30 we can type 40 degree of it, and then we can make the 40 degree of angle this sloping guideline. Okay, and after that we can use a line anyway. We can start from here, and we can place on the center, and then we can end to this position. So then we can push it to back until the limit anyway. Okay, and after that we can delete it. We can delete unnecessary line anyway. So and then we can try to move it to the back. Okay, we can try to move it to the back just a little, and we can draw this line here. We can select a move, and we can move it to the back just a little. Okay, it's just for example anyway. So anyway, we can also move it to the upper position or down position to make it more proportional as possible anyway. Then we can push it down to make shield of the perimeter of the roof. Then we can make it group. Okay, I think it's done for the basic shape of the roof anyway. So then we can make the another element. Maybe we can duplicate this column to make the another column over there. Okay, just something like this, and then we can make maybe we can erase it first. Okay, so then we can make another landscaping element over there. Okay, and then we can also make the landscaping element on this position, and we can also make the landscaping element. It's just for exercise anyway. Okay, and we can push it up. Okay, and then maybe we can just deactivate this profile to make it more smooth movement anyway. Okay, and then and after that we can also make the landscape element first, and then we can make the landscape element first. So then we can select the landscaping, and then we can select the vegetation. Okay, so then we can make it group and make it group also, and then we can make another landscape element over there with a rectangle, and then we can place on this position. Then we can okay, we can use this plane to make the landscape element anyway. So then we can make group, and we can make the landscape element with this. Okay, and after that we can assign with the roof material with the roofing. So then we can select it, or maybe we can choose another roof as we want. Maybe we can use this material anyway. it's depend on us about the material as we want. Okay, just something like this. Then we can okay, and then we can also make it with more thickness than before, and then we can make the profile of this roof, of this canopy, sorry. We can using line, and we can draw it with the trapezoid shape of the canopy. Okay, we can complete it, okay, until it's make this shape anyway. You can see it, and then we can draw the line by following this several parameter of the canopy. Okay, so then we can use follow me to complete it. So it would be highlighted canopy design anyway. And after that we can also make the another element over there. We can also make the another element in this area maybe. So then we can okay, we can use a rectangle and we can push it to the front just a little bit, and then make it group anyway, and then we can make the another stone, or maybe we can try to select it, but it's too disturbing us. So then we can make the another cladding. We can use this material, for example, or maybe we can use this material. Okay, or many more as you want anyway. So then we can make the another we can make the another color of the pillar and column. Okay, we can use this and use this color to make this column area, or maybe we can just make the center profile of it. Okay, and then we can erase it. We can make it component, duplicate, choose create, and then we can move and place on this. Then we can type 3/. I'm sorry, we can type 2/. Sorry, we can select this, move until this position, and then we can type 2/ and enter. And then we can adjust with another material of the canopy, and we can also select this wall color. Then we can adjust the color as we want anyway. Okay, maybe we can adjust with the creme material. Okay, we can using it or many more. It just depend on us anyway. Okay, okay, we can select the color as we want. Okay, maybe just something like this, and then we can also assign the material. We can edit the material color with RGB to move it to the left wall. Then we can adjust the color brightness or darkness of this roof material. So, and then we can adjust with another material of the roof element. We can use the dark material on this barrier. So then we can use this on this roof support of it. Okay, I think it look more elegant than before. Okay, we can see about the before, just like this. Okay, okay, and after that we can also select the wood material of it. We can use this to adjust it, and also we can adjust the wood door material with the color, and we can make it more elegant. Okay, I think it look more elegant than before anyway, and look so luxury color and column color anyway. Okay, so then we can make the another tree in this landscape area and many more. Okay, so we can explore more about this, or maybe we can study about the shadow. We can use the shadow to study. We can use the shadow option to study about the surface, texture, or many more. Okay, I think it's enough. I hope it will be a lot of benefit to all of you about how to modeling, how to explore about the basic shape to be great 3D exterior or modeling on of this ordinary only house anyway. Okay, thanks for watching and wait for my next great video in this channel. Thank you.